Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for watching. To my wonderful subscribers, thank you for being so patient with me. I know I've been away for a couple of weeks. I've been extremely busy with work, family, and just other little bits and pieces. But I'm back, and hopefully I'll try to be more consistent with videos. So this video is particularly focusing on how to take down your braids. As you can see, I have braids in my hair, and I had these installed about 3 weeks ago. And the truth is, I am completely fed up of it. My head hurts every other day. I've got a headache, and I think that's mostly the weight. It's not a lot of braids, but I'm just used to having my own hair and having to deal with my hair. So even having a little amount of braids installed is giving me headache. And I think 3 weeks is just about as much as I can take. So these braids are coming down. So in my previous video, I was talking about how to take down your braids and how to look after your hair, especially when you've had protective styling previously. So this is just a video to show you the breakdown of how I do it and how I prevent my hair from excessive breaking and excessive shedding. Now when I take this down, I should have a good amount of shedding because I've had these in for 3 weeks. So I'm just gonna give you a good look, and I hope you enjoy this video. If you do, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. And if you have any questions at all, just leave your comments down below. Thank you so much for watching, and let's get into the video. So in this section, I've sped it up because there's no need to sit through minutes of me cutting the braids. I'm just cutting the braids to make it a lot easier and quicker for me to remove them. I'm just using the scissors. Yeah, first one down. My hair is so dirty. But free at last. So as always, I always recommend that you part your hair into either 4 sections, or if your hair is a lot thicker than mine, you can part it into 6 sections. Parting your hair makes it a lot easier to detangle, and actually it shortens your detangling time as well. Okay, to detangle my hair, I'm going to be using rice water and rice bran oil. I'll leave a link down below for those who are interested in purchasing one of these. The rice water, I'm just going to take that and saturate my hair completely. One thing I noticed after taking down the braids was that my hair was still fairly soft, and that's because whilst I had the braids in, I sprayed rice water in my hair on a daily basis, and I used a lot of oil on my scalp to keep it nourished. So I'm just going to go ahead and add some oil to add some slip, and I'm just going to go ahead and use my wide tooth comb to detangle my hair. As you can see, it's so much easier. My fingers are running through my hair, and the comb's easy to detangle my hair as well. Like I said, this comes down to looking after your hair whilst it's in the braids and being gentle when you take it out. Once I took my braids down, it literally took probably about 20 minutes to have every section of my hair detangled, and it was a lot easier It was with ease. I was gentle, and obviously adding the rice water and oil beforehand made all the difference. One thing I also forgot to mention was, as a result of me detangling with the product, my shedding was minimized and there was barely any breakage in my hair. So please, please, please never detangle your hair when it is dry, because that's when it's at the weakest. And if you do that, your hair will break and all your hard work and effort would have been completely wasted. So please always detangle your hair when it's damp or wet. Hi guys, so I have uninstalled my braids. I have used my rice water and also oil as a pre-shampoo, and that enabled me to detangle my hair without any issues. My hair feels really soft, and I haven't even washed it yet, and I haven't deep conditioned yet. So I'm just gonna let this sit in for about 20 or 30 minutes, and I'll go ahead and, you know, just have my usual regular wash day. So as you saw, my detangling was very straightforward. It makes a lot of difference when you detangle your hair when it's either wet or dampened. It's always better to detangle your hair that way. You avoid more breakage and less shedding. So please make sure your hair is either dampened or wet before you detangle. The oil also makes it a lot easier for me to detangle, so that the comb or the brush that I would use or you would use will glide a lot easier through your hair. So that is my recommendation to you guys. So it's very, very important that you look after your hair and be gentle when you're trying to detangle your hair. Okay, so this is it guys. Thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate it. Don't forget to click on that like button. If you haven't subscribed yet, subscribe right now, and share this video with friends and family. Let people learn how to properly detangle their hair, especially after removing a protective style. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in my next one. Bye.